You're so mad at him.
You do sassy hiccups? Sassy hiccups?
Oh, he's trying to poop now, I think.
No, he's getting mad because he keeps saying
He's like, say your manners. Excuse me. I'm very happy.
Are the sassy hiccups gone? Are they gone?
Nope. Oh, it's gone.